This technical note was instigated by a comment from subscriber at droplove_. In my last video on the Tizz destroyer stack, I mentioned that before Airwindows Chrome Oxide and after Airwindows Chrome Oxide, I had instances of Airwindows BitShiftGain. The one before Chrome Oxide was to drop the signal, and the one after Chrome Oxide was to bring it back up. And I said I had reasons for doing that I wasn't going to get into, but I might as well as a short addendum. Why did I engage in that little exercise, that little gain staging exercise? Well, here's the stack right here. We got real bus, and we got our purest gain, this time at -6. Then we got Chrome Oxide, purest gain at +6. Ultrasonic medium, and into finesse. All right, so let me show you what happens when I bypass those two instances of purest gain before and after Chrome Oxide. Bypass. And I get this inharmonic spike at -48 dB, 13 kilohertz. Yes, I mean it. I have TDS. This is the extent of my TDS, which might be veering perilously into OCD territory. But hey, I mean, if you're going to be a stickler, right? So this little spike here is being generated by hitting Chrome Oxide at full blast. And I just found that by attenuating the signal going into Chrome Oxide and then boosting it back up to parity afterward, I was able to eliminate that spike. Now, droplove_ said, hey, you know, if you really want to be a stickler, use BitShiftGain. And fair enough. So if you're a real Airwindows geek, then you'll understand. I mean, this is like Droplove. You are you're calling me out. You're encouraging me to go full tilt boogie here with my Airwindows geekery. So here I go. I had it at -5 and +5 last time. Why did I change it to -6 +6? Well, because BitShiftGain gain stages in 6 dB increments. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to type in okay, there it is, BitShiftGain. And I'm going to take this one down -1, which is -6 dB. Whoops, that's 2, -2. Oh, -1. If anything, this is easier to set than purest gain. And BitShiftGain +1. There we go. Double check. Before, BitShiftGain -1 bit. After, BitShiftGain +1 bit. And engage. All right. So at least on the span readout, they're the same. But BitShiftGain is technically the cleaner way to go. So thank you, droplove_. Your suggestion has been not only duly noted, but implemented. And this is just an example of the little things that you get into and up to in Airwindows world. All right. Thank you for watching, and those of you that are so kind as to comment and leave feedback and all that, I really do appreciate it. And the viewer whose handle I can't remember right now, down in Venezuela, man, your comment just, it's been a rough last few days, and sleep hasn't been all that great. And I stopped drinking a couple of years ago, but I woke up feeling hungover just from the allergies and the allergy pills that I get forced to. I mean, basically, I just have to take something or I can't function. Just woke up strung out and feeling like and I saw your comment, and it just, well, it made everything okay. So I apologize for blipping on your handle there, but person over in Venezuela, that was such a kind thing for you to say, and it makes it all worthwhile. So thank you. And I'm back to work here on my Tizz slaying rounds. Thank you for watching. May the winds of clarity blow Tizz free and ever in your favor. From lovely scenic Paju City at 3:48 a.m. Over and out.